everybody, welcome to the Handmaidens. Today we're going to talk about something very important in the garden on this freakishly cold day in May. We're like mid-May and I don't know the date. The date is after the aliens bloomed and right before the peonies. But before we get on to further gardening, we have to take care of some business from early spring. And here are the daffodils that we had that made it so I was able to have wonderful tulips. I've gone ahead and done some of this, but one of the important things we must do, it is deadheading, okay people? Now I've never been much on deadheading. I've kind of let nature do its job, but I also never had a lot of bulbs. But since I've learned, these beautiful daffodils, not so beautiful now, have helped me to have tulips, which I wasn't able to have before because it's kept the deer away. I am all about this, okay? So here's what happens. You see this, when the daffodil gets all crunchy and stuff and it gets this little papery thing on here, it gets this bulb. That's the seeds, okay? We don't want that. We're going to deadhead it and cut it right there. And the reason we don't want that is because of photosynthesis. We want to leave all the rest. Don't cut this down. Let that go naturally. These leaves store energy from the sun. And it's going to take the carbon dioxide and the energy from the sun out and push it down and form glucose that's going to feed to the bulbs underneath and make baby bulbets. If we leave the seed pods on, then it gets confused and feeds those seed pods. And then the little bulbs shrink. So we want bulbs to grow so next year we have more beautiful blooms and we will be able to feed more pollinators. The fact that it gets that round thing on there, it means that it was pollinated. We did it, folks, we did it. We contributed to the wonderful saving of planet Earth. This used to be a tulip. And this looks a little different. It's got this little wiggly thing on here. And we're going to go right under there and clip. Again, watch here, right underneath, clip. It's so easy, it's satisfying that when you're out in your garden in the morning, having your morning coffee and your morning stroll, you just go around. Here's the remnants of a beautiful one and clip. Okay? Do you got it? It's simple as that. Now let's say, oh, well, I always knew that. Well, yeah. But sometimes we don't know what we don't know. And that's how we're going to have a really great garden next year by preparing our bulbs this year. Okay? So enjoy this beautiful day. Don't forget, tonight, if you're in an area that's going to get a frost, cover those seedlings and all those new babies that you got growing out there, okay? Until next time, take care, have a great day, live a wonderful, simple life, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.